Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Capital One alerts and disable notifications, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the Capital One mobile app on your device. Log into your account using your username and password. Once you're on the home page, locate the menu icon, usually found in the upper left corner. Tap on the menu icon to reveal a list of options. Scroll down until you find Settings or a similar option. Select Settings to access your account preferences. Look for the section labeled Notifications or Alerts. Tap on Notifications to view your current alert settings. Here, you will see different types of notifications you can manage. To disable specific alerts, toggle the switches next to each type of alert. If you want to uninstall all alerts, switch off all notifications in this section. After adjusting your preferences, press the back button to save your changes. Next, if you wish to further manage notifications on your device, exit the app. Go to your device's settings by finding the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, locate Apps or Applications. Find and select Capital One from the list of installed apps. Within the Capital One app settings, look for Notifications. Tap on Notifications to view all notification options for the app. Here, you can choose to block all notifications by toggling off Allow Notifications. Make sure to confirm any prompts that appear. After making your adjustments, exit back to your home screen. You have successfully uninstalled Capital One alerts and disabled notifications. Return to the Capital One app periodically to check for any settings changes if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.